give you my heart.
Hello friends, welcome back in another fresh episode of Appseeker. I am your host Aditya and let's roll the video. So the topic for today's video is which are the devices getting EMUI 9.1 update. As you guys know, many of us have already received EMUI 9 update and many of us are facing problems with it like battery drain problem and performance problems. So the 9.1 update will fix all the problems and will improve the performance. So let's see what are the features or which are the devices eligible for EMUI 9.1. Recently Huawei has released this photo, and in this photo they have listed the names of all the devices eligible for 9.1 update, but these are in Chinese language. So let's see which are the devices. I have a list here, so let's check the list. As you guys know, currently Huawei Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 20X and Mate 20 RS Posture Designer are running 9.1 already, and also P30 Pro is one of them. So here are the devices which are under testing for 9.1 update, that is P20 Pro, P20, Mate 10, Mate 10 Pro, Mate 10 Posture Design, Mate RS Posture Design, Mate 9, Mate 9 Pro, Mate 9 Posture Design, Huawei P10, P10 Plus, Nova 4, Nova 3i, Nova 3, Nova 2s, Mate 20 Lite, Honor 10, Honor 10 Youth Edition, Honor V10, Honor Note 10, Honor 9, Honor V9, Honor Play 8A and Honor 8X. Finally, Honor 8X is also receiving the 9.1 update. So many of you guys are receiving problem with your Honor 8X devices running EMUI 9. So just wait, all the bugs will be fixed and performance problems will be solved. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep updated. So I'll be posting whenever I receive an update or whenever I receive any other news regarding the update. I'm your host Aditya, and let's meet in another episode of Appseeker. Take care, bye bye, peace out.